blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
It's that turn shit. All fucking year, we on turn shit.
God bless America.
We got Nick in the building. Hey, make sure y'all tune into Nick vlog. He vlogging today too, man. So we right there.
That boy performed, don't he? Sit down, Nick. Shock. Sit down. Nigga, I said sit down. Shock, come here, Shock. Come here, Shock. Shocker. Sit down. Sit. Sight. This nigga don't want to sit. Get him out.
Oh, Nick. Oh!
Hey, don't step on the J's. Don't step on the J's.
Woo! Dang! Hey, you good, Trey? Bro, no, that's dangerous. That's dangerous. Yo! Bravo! Oh my Lord!
Do it again. No. More than Jones.
Look at that bad boy. Oh my gosh.
You wanna do one?
Oh, hold on. I thought it was.
Now this is the holder. We put it
It
in.
smell like nothing but ass though.
It's too stink.
You gotta hotbox it. Hold on. Let me see that. That's good smoke you wasting.
Run, nigga, run! Damn!
Run fast too.
Run! Took out the, oh, shoot. Took out the crux.
Touch it.
Woo!
That one was nice. I know it's hot.
I wanted to do that one, bro. Uh-oh. What's that?
The whole box on fire, gang.
Yeah, that's a great way to do it. Trey's trying to kill everybody. How you feeling, Nick?
What's how I'm feeling?
What's that? What is that?
Hey, bro.
Is those poppers? Wait, what y'all doing? Oh my, go ahead, bro. Oh!
Yeah, you see that shit?
No, why me? Oh!
Oh, you're taking bro. Fuck you.
No, the one that she do, that thing hit my forehead.
Like that bitch, and we all finna fucking run.
Light it! Oh! Oh, hold on. Dang. Trey, with the stick in the hand? With the stick? Uh-oh. Oh, shoot.
That's what we call a fucking light show, nigga.
Yes, sir.
Call it fucking
Yes,
light.
sir. All right, Nick, turn this up, Nick. Dang, look how this thing's smoking.
Nigga, you not like this? I just feel like running.
He said feel like running. I want to run too. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! That shit almost fucking hit me! What the hell? Yo! Oh! But that shit almost hit me, bro! What the? Yo, bro, that shit hit my leg.
That shit almost hit me.
I got it on camera.
Oh, that shit hit me a little bit.
Okay, Nick. Let's not kill each other this time. Hey, don't stand on this side. Yo, I don't trust this shit. Oh, all right, we're good. We're good, right? All right, I think we're good. Almost died, bro. Oh gosh, the bad boy himself.
Just light it. Light it while he's holding it, man. Be a man.
Yo, get out.
White, is it? What the hell is it doing? Bro, if that shit comes straight to me, I swear. What the fuck? Nick! What the hell is it doing? I think it's a delay.
Hey, somebody just has to put their face to it and look exactly over it.
Hey, yo, what? Great advice.
It's on you, bro. You press do something.
Trey. Oh my gosh. Hey,
Yeah, go ahead, Trey.
Trey, I will use like something to protect myself.
Did you really like that shit?
Wait, did you light it like all the way?
Yeah.
Bro, he lit it, but it didn't even blow up yet.
It's right there. Right where? Right here?
It's this side, this side.
On this side?
Yeah. That's the string right there poking out. Trey, run this way. Run directly this way. Run over here. Come on, Trey. Go, 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 go! Oh, shoot.
It's wrong. It's so wrong.
Oh!
Police.
Uh-oh. Alright, man, we back in this joint. Got my boy Joseph in the cut.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, man. Damn! Okay, what the fuck was that? Look, they just made the car go off. Yo, that's a bomb, bruh. Oh, shit. Woo! Bro, whoever got fireworks right here is OC.
I heard it all the way down there.
Hey, man, you better ask if we can light it, you know what I'm saying? You got the whole on this.
Oh, let me see that mask, cuz. Let me see that mask real quick.
Hold on. Once I light it, I got you. There you go. Oh!
Hey, let me.
I'm just doing this for the thumbnail. I'm not even trying. These shit's weak. Hey, watch out. Yo.
Keep it right there.
There you go.
Say nothing.
Bro, what did that come
I wasn't gonna say nothing.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
I wasn't gonna say nothing. I was right
We
beside
gotta
that
kill
joke.
somebody.
I wasn't gonna. Hold on, Corey.
You sure?
Watch out.
Let me get my. I see that thumbnail. I see that. Oh, nigga, what? I'm gonna give it to you.
Here you go. Who wanna wear it?
I mean, me.
Hey, man. We at 7-Eleven. Just came back from shooting the fireworks. What the fuck kind of door handles are those? You know what I'm saying? Got a copy of the Arizona, the raspberry tea.
I'm just I hate them.
You talking about those? Which ones?
The big ass, the one the
These
football players. No.
These ones?
These fucking dumb ass bombs. These ugly shit. You bitch if you wear that.
Yeah, wait, say it again.
You bitch if you wear that.
If you wear these guys, you are a cold bitch. Hey, what's in your mouth? He in the glick. Alright, man. This is probably about to be the end of the vlog. Got Mason crushing on food. Got Joseph on his phone.
Demon, you eating macaroni. Ew, son.
That shit is cold, boy. That's not even macaroni. That's tuna salad. Wait, what's that? Potato salad?
Yeah, it's good shit, bro.
Chew with your mouth closed. All right, bro. Back up a little, bro.
Wait, bitch.